What if I told you that you can start a profitable business this weekend without owning a single piece of equipment? You do not need to buy a $2,000 machine. You just need $35. This is the carpet cleaning rental hack. It is the smartest side hustle for beginners. Rent a machine for cheap, clean houses for a premium price, and keep the profit. Today, I will show you exactly how to turn dirty carpets into cold, hard cash. We teach you how to make money fast. If you are ready to hustle, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Let's get into it. Here is the secret. Most people think they need to buy expensive gear to start a business. That is wrong. You can rent a professional carpet cleaner, like a rug doctor, from stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, or even your local grocery store. It costs about $30 to $40 for 24 hours. This means your startup cost is incredibly low. If you get just one client, you pay for the rental and make a profit instantly. This is called rental arbitrage. Step 1. How much do you charge? Carpet cleaning is hard work. Do not underprice yourself. Charge per room. A standard rate is $40 to $50 per room, or you can charge a flat rate for a whole house. Let's do the math. If a client wants 3 rooms cleaned, you charge $150. The rental machine costs you $35. The cleaning solution costs $15. Your total cost is $50. You walk away with $100 profit for just 2 hours of work. Do 2 houses in one day? That is $200 profit. Step 2, the cleaning process. It is very simple. Fill the machine with hot tap water and the cleaning solution. Go over the carpet slowly. Let the machine scrub the dirt and suck up the water. Here's a pro tip. Always show the homeowner the dirty water tank when you are done. They will be disgusted but satisfied. It proves that you did a great job and they will hire you again. Step 3, finding clients. You don't need ads. Go to Facebook Marketplace or the Nextdoor app. Post a listing saying affordable carpet cleaning, weekend special. The most important thing is photos. Take a picture of the carpet before you start and a picture after you finish. Post these results. People love seeing the transformation. Visual proof gets you hired faster than anything else. The beauty of this model is flexibility. Rent the machine only when you have a booked job. If you have no clients, you spend zero money. It is completely risk-free. Once you save enough money, then you can buy your own machine and keep 100% of the profit. Stop making excuses. There is money in dirt. Go rent a machine and start your empire this weekend. If you want more side hustle ideas, make sure to subscribe. Comment carpet below if you are going to try this. Thanks for watching.